Hi, in this video I'll be demonstrating two things. The first one is how to put your keypad to sleep. For example, if there's no movement or if you've armed your alarm and there's no movement, the keypad will go to sleep after a predetermined time. The other thing I'll be demonstrating is how to make your keypad not go into sleep. Maybe you want it on all the time, even if the alarm is on and there are no zones being violated. The first thing I need to do is quickly check the keypad sleep delay. What I need to do is I press hash just to clear any button presses, followed by the installer code. The default installer code is 4 nines. So it's 9999 followed by the star key. This takes me to the installer menu. If you've put in that code and it does not take you to the installer menu, you'll need to contact your installer and ask him or her for the installer code. Now what I need to do is I need to go to location 22, followed by the star key. Over there, it shows me the keypad sleep delay. This means that the keypad will only go to sleep if there is no movement, if 45 seconds have elapsed. Now, if you want to reduce this, for example, I want to reduce mine, so I want to make it 25 seconds. So all I'll do is I'll press 0025 star. It'll take me back, but now if I go and check that setting, you can see there's the 25. So the last two digits there are the seconds and the first two digits are the minutes. Right, so my sleep delay is 25 seconds. Now what I want to do is I want to determine what number keypad this is. What is the keypad ID for this keypad? Now, in many alarm systems, you might have more than one keypad. So what I need to do now is I now press 243 star. And it's telling me that this is keypad number 1. Now in my installation here where I'm doing the video, I think I've got 6 or 7 keypads. This is important because when you want to make a change to each keypad, you need to know the corresponding keypad ID to the keypad. So that means that I first needed to check the keypad ID because the next settings relate to that number. So I'm now going to show you the different locations for the different keypad IDs. So notice that this is keypad ID 1. And in this case, for me to configure the additional settings, I would go to location 251. But if your keypad happened to be number 2, then you would be going to location 252 and 253 all the way up to 258 in the same sequence. As you can see, your 8th keypad or keypad ID 8 is at location 258. Now why that's important is I'm first going to configure this keypad for the sleep mode. So I need to go to 251 star. Now notice it says keypad 1 options and it says data. Now I'm going to go to the second option. There it says data 2Y. The second option is for whether the keypad goes to sleep or not. So in this case, it's already set to yes. So if you want your keypad to go to sleep, make sure there's a Y next to data 2. I'll quickly demonstrate what it looks like when it goes to sleep. Right, so here's an example of a keypad going to sleep. Over here, this keypad has gone to sleep. You can see the display's gone black and the keypad backlighting has gone off. The amount of time that it takes to go to sleep is dependent on the sleep delay time, which we set in location 22. If you do not want your keypad to go to sleep, then you will change it to an N by pressing the star key. So in this case, I don't want this keypad to go to sleep, so now I've stopped it from going to sleep when there are no zones being violated. So what this means now is there are no violations currently happening in this alarm system. The keypad would normally go to sleep, but now it will never go to sleep. Even if I arm it, it will never go to sleep. Thanks for watching and cheers.